Hi, my name is Georgi Georgiev. I'm an illustrator and a visual artist. I have worked in the movie and the game industry, and I have also designed book covers. In my free time, I enjoy creating personal illustrations and drawings and sharing them online. From the moment I found out about the digital painting, I knew it would be my thing. I am inspired by beautiful paintings, by people's stories and their emotional responses. By mixing two worlds, reality and fantasy, I create colorful scenes with a magical touch. My process is a little chaotic, and when I'm drawing, I feel like I'm sculpting characters with digital brushstrokes, different tones and light effects. With a comic and imaginative approach, I have established my signature style. I texturize my character's hair so it looks like it's made out of paper. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create digital illustrations full of color and light in Photoshop. For your final project, you will learn how to bring an authentic character to life, starting with the first ideas all the way to the final touches. We will start with checking out all our tools and options in Photoshop, how to work with reference and how to create images without a line art. I will also talk about color palettes and discuss painting through ideation and keywords. We will get into the basics of composition and some color foundations. I will show you how to pick the best idea for our final project and how to use a black and white underpainting. Next, we'll see how to color the painting, refine the shapes, and add the finishing details to our scene. Finally, I will explain how to draw attention to the most important areas of our illustration, how to make color adjustments and export our image. By the end of this course, you will be able to produce beautiful digital illustrations with a magic touch. To follow me, you just need access to Photoshop. Dare to use your imagination and create beautiful illustrations straight out of your mind.